Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are reviewing a great product by this company Alusso. They are producing a lot of lightning lights, and they also do fans for the rooms and a lot of other LED lighting. So we're gonna open this box and I'll show you what this item is contained. So it has 3 years warranty. This special is consumed only 3 watt, and it's 3 CCT outdoor LED security light. So auto motion mode, dusk to down, D to D, and on time, always on. So let's go ahead and open this. For the price and the links, just feel free visit the description. So in the box we do have instruction manual that will show which angles they all goes by, Facebook, Instagram links, and basically explanation how it's work. So you can leave them feedback, warranty, place. Let's see what they have. It's a standard stainless steel hardwares, and there is connectors and a good quality actually. Let's go ahead and open the rest of it. It looks like the box is empty so far. So this is a sealed cover for the weather protection, and let's go ahead and open this. On the front you'll see it has a motion sensor. Quality of the product is all made out of the plastic, and from the feeling on, it's a great quality. I don't want to say it's cheap plastic, but it is an excellent quality. So let's see which way is the rotations go on. I recently was in store. Rotation's pretty good, so I think it can go spin around up to 360 degrees. Yep, correct. So the unit can be mounted upside down, like if you have ceiling, let's say, or if you have it on a wall. So if you have it on a wall, here's example. The lights is more, can see right through the LED. There's have 2 different lights, probably yellow and white. So rotation is nice. Let's see if I can spin this. It's spinning all the way to 180, like I was expecting. There's a sensor actually moving very well, 180 degrees. At the bottom of the sensor you can find the 3 settings: sensitivity, timing, and LUX. Some more information on the front: 30 watt, 2700 lumens at max 120 volts, 3, 4, and 6.5 keys at 150. Manufactured by Mingbo Silian Lighting Technologies. So it's very, I have a couple of their products installed in past, and they work very well. Yeah, I like how this thing is spin. If you go on upside down like this, so you'll have a sensor just like that, or you can make it sensor this way. And the lights, let's see, lights can go this way too, so spin well. Let's go ahead and tie this up. On the back you have a little plug. There's actually rubberized protection. Let's see, what is this? Always have some more settings on timer, on, automatic, so you can switch those back and forth. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. If you guys interested in this product, again, I recommend Alusso, since I used them several times. All their products still work, and it's an excellent condition and great quality. Feel free to reach my description for more information. Thanks so much for watching.